Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hardcore Fab YouTube channel. I'm Anthony Bronner, and today I'm bringing you a new series called Shop Talk. So, what is Shop Talk? Well, it's essentially just that, shop talk. So basically, anything that happens in the shop. We could be working with some old junkyard parts, or maybe doing a review on a new cool part. I also plan on using this space as a place to do a review of some new tools as I get them, and to show you some of the old junky stuff that I've had for years that I just can't live without. Plus, I want to show you how to make some of your own tools from scratch for basically free. It's also going to be a great place for me to go into depth more on questions that you guys might have. But no matter what it is, it's going to be in the shop. It may not be my shop. We might go out and see some other shops that are way cooler than mine and see how they do things. No matter what it is though, one thing's for sure, it's definitely going to be Shop Talk. Alright, so let's go ahead and get episode number 1 kicked off here with a tool that I was asked about just yesterday. What it is and where they can find it and how to use it. So that tool is a centering punch, or a spring-loaded centering punch, or an automatic centering punch, depending on who you talk to and where you're looking. But it's a pretty handy little tool. Basically, it's used to put a divot in a piece of metal or whatever it is that you're working with, and give you a starting point for a screw to go in, or for a drill to not be walking around all over as you're trying to drill your part. So the way it works with this piece of metal here, if you watch this shaft, it actually pushes inside the brass piece, and as you get to a certain point, it's spring loaded and it trips past the spring, and it puts all the tension back into this little tip right here that's got a really nice sharp little end. And if you look really close, I don't know if, yeah, you can see it right there. Right there is where I just put that in there, and that tip went right in and left its mark. And now if we was to go in here and use a drill on that, it's not going to be walking all over the panel because it's just a piece of sheet metal. And if we were trying to run a screw through it or whatever, it would be a good place for the screw to hook, and it won't walk all over either. So pretty handy little tool. So the only real adjustment that you have with this thing is there's a cap on the end of it that will thread in and out, and as that threads in and out, it does change the tension of the spring, so you will get a little less depth here at the end of it as it penetrates into your part. But short of that, I mean, it's pretty basic. You can't really hardly hurt it. I've had this one for years, probably 12, 13 years, something like that. So quite a long time, never had any problems with it. I don't remember exactly where I got it, but I did look up and found one as cheap as $1.38 on Amazon. And I'll go ahead and put that in the description below and give you a link to that where you can go grab one for yourself. I mean, for less than $2, I mean, why would you not want one in your toolbox? Well folks, there you have it. Episode number 1 of Shop Talk is in the books. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you do, please subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell down there beside the subscribe button. That way you'll get the notifications of when the next one comes out. And we'll see you then.